Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off mobile data for specific apps on your iPhone. It is known that sometimes certain apps use your mobile data in the background to refresh itself with new data. It's fine if you have unlimited data plan, but if you're on a limited data plan, then this can cause issues for you. So on your iPhone, go to your settings app. Now tap on mobile data. Now scroll down all the way and you'll start to see all the apps. Underneath the app title, you'll see how much mobile data the app has used. So for example, if I want to stop Chrome from using mobile data, I'll toggle the switch to the left for Chrome. Now this will turn off mobile data for Chrome application only. As you can see, when I open the Chrome app, I'll then get a message stating my mobile data is switched off. I'll press OK, and now when I try to navigate to a website, it will not allow me to use the internet. The only way I can use internet on Chrome app is by connecting the device to a Wi-Fi network. So I'll go ahead and switch Wi-Fi on. Now the website will start to load. Once Wi-Fi is off again, the internet on the Chrome browser will stop working. To enable it, you can go back to the settings app, mobile data, and scroll down to the Chrome app. Toggle the switch to the right to enable mobile data usage. Following the same process, you can disable mobile data for other apps as well. And there you go, that is how to turn off mobile data for specific apps on your iPhone. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.